Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate your very own magnets. So I found these magnets here. You can check with your local dealer where you guys buy your sublimation blanks. I'll try to have some of these linked down below for you guys. So whenever you purchase these, they are going to come with the magnets included. So you're just going to remove that adhesive and then pop them right on the back. So as you guys can see, they are silver on the back. These are metal, so whenever you guys do your sublimation, for example, I use Sawgrass, so I chose the metal settings. Now, one thing that you always want to keep in mind, I always talk about, is always double check it to see if there is a plastic coating on top, a piece of plastic that protects it during shipment and things like that. These, for example, did not. So the very next step we want to do is go in and remove any sort of, fingerprints or anything like that, anything that's going to get in between pressing your sublimation design. Now for my designs here, these are the ones that I've used today. They're super cute. As you guys can see here, these are also 4+ members. They're only 1+ credit. So I just wanted to show you guys a variety of different ones here. So what I did was I just took a tape measure here, figured out about how big they were. They were 3 by 2, I believe. So inside of the Sawgrass software, what I did was I did 3.25 by 2.25 to give me that little bit of extra bleed. And then I just designed these out and was able to print them out all on one sheet. So what I'm going to be able to do is press these at the same time. So I'm going to be able to place all of these down, tape them, and then press them all at one time. So that's what's really awesome about this. Whether you guys are making these for yourselves, for gift to sell, this is definitely a great turnaround in profit, as well as they are so easy to make. As you guys can see, we could have printed out a ton on one sheet. So another thing you're going to need is your heat tape, or you can use some Pro Spray that's going to help stick to that. It's like an adhesive spray for sublimation. So let's go ahead and start making these. So what we're going to do is remove our lint or debris. I've already got my heat press 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Today we are using the small pink craft press. Another really exciting thing about this is you could definitely use your Cricut Easy Press for this project. So same thing, you would want 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Just make sure you hold down nice, even pressure. So we're just going to tape these down. You want to have 2 pieces of tape for each one. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this one down right here. Get my tape. And I almost forgot I need to clean this first. So I'm going to clean it first, and then we're going to lay it down. Now you guys can see this piece of tape here. It's not going to bother anything because it's not inside of my design. So I'm just lining this up here. And also inside of Sawgrass with their print manager, I use the spacing. It's in the layout tab, I believe. I use the spacing to give them a little bit of room for me to be able to place all of these and get enough space. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on going here. Now with this one here, because like I said, I made a custom canvas and then I just kind of spread it out. So you guys are going to see I'm going to have a little bit of this design on the outside. And that's just the way that I designed it. So I'm going to line this up like so. Get my tape down and keep on trucking. But these types of magnets, you could probably even find some on Amazon. Once again, we're going to link some down below for you guys. This is a pretty common substrate, super duper cheap. So definitely great for gift giving or even selling, like I said. All right, so let's go ahead and get our last one right here. Once you have everything taped down and laid exactly where you want it to be, you're going to take this over to your heat press, or if you're using a Cricut Easy Press, you definitely want to put your Cricut pad underneath and then press. So make sure you guys have yourself some sort of blowout paper or, parchment paper like this. Over here at our craft press, this is the Stahls craft press in the pink one. It's super duper cute. So this is going to be perfect for things like this. I'm going to go ahead and get myself a piece of parchment paper down first. With this substrate, just like if you were using cell phone cases, you can actually press it in this direction, or you can press it in this direction, which I'm going to do this one here. But because it is such a thin material, you're able to press it on either side. We're going to go ahead and cover it with another parchment paper, and then we are just going to go ahead and press. Now that we are getting close to the end, I've already popped on my heat gloves here. I'll have these linked down below for you guys. So I'm going to pop this open just like so, move this out of our way. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the table. Now, since I'm using a granite countertop, this has cooled these down super fast so I can actually pull off my gloves. So we're going to flip it over here, and then I'm just going to get them at an angle here and peel. So we're just going to remove our tape here. And as you guys can see, how cool are these? The colors are absolutely amazing. They're so easy to make. These would be really cool too to use as a bookmark as well. Super cute. Love this design. And then we've got two more. I absolutely love this one right here, this plant mother. I think everybody right now is obsessed with plants. So I thought this one would be really cute. And I could have actually, you know, turned this in this direction as well, and then possibly brought this down a little bit and made it to where this piece would cut off to get a little bit more room. But I just wanted to show you guys a variety. These would be perfect to make for Mother's Day. Lots of different ideas. I love this one as well. This would be great for not only Mother's Day, Father's Day, this would also be great for a teacher. So super cute gift. So let's go ahead and get ready to pop on the magnets. To apply the magnets, it's going to be super easy. As you guys can see here on the back, we've got some double-sided adhesive. We're just going to go ahead and pop that off, flip it over, and then right in the center, we're just going to pop it down. So I definitely would let these set for a little bit before you place them on, say, for example, the refrigerator, just to let that adhere to it. But as you guys can see, these came out super cute. These would also be great for business cards. So you can definitely, put your business logos on there. You could put your, like your business card on here and pass those out so somebody could pop them on the fridge as well. So definitely lots of different ideas when it comes to these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.